Hello friends, we will discuss how to draw an ellipse by rectangle method. The dimensions of ellipse are given as major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm. So first of all, draw a rectangle of given dimensions. Say 100 mm is the width and 70 mm is height as given in this diagram. Insert the dimensions and draw both the axes AB and CD. An intersectional point is O. Name point E on the corner of this rectangle. Now divide AE. AE will be equal to 35 mm. Total height is 70 mm, so AE is equal to 35 mm. Divide this 35 mm into 4 equal parts. You may divide into 5 parts as well. So here name the points 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have divided AE into equal number of parts. Similarly, and then join D1, D2, D3 with a straight line. Now divide AO into equal number of parts. Here total AB width is 100 mm, so AO will be equal to 50 mm. So divide this 50 mm into equal number of parts, say 1, 2, 3, 1 days, 2 days, 3 days and 4 days. Here AE is divided into 4 parts. Similarly, AO should be divided into 4 equal parts. If we divide AE into 5 parts, we have to divide AO into 5 parts. Now join C1 days and extend it up to D1. So here is one point P. Name that point as P1. Similarly, extend C2 days and up to line segment D2. Name the point, extend C3 days, and here is the point P3 dash, and so on. Do the same exercise on another side. Point number 1, 2, 3, equal division of that side also. Join the respective points D1, D2, D3, extend C1 days, C2 days and C3 days, and respective points of intersection are this. Join all these points with a smooth curve as shown over here, and that is the ellipse of given dimension. Width is equal to 100 mm, height is equal to 70 mm, or major diameter and minor diameter 100 mm and 70 mm respectively. Now draw an ellipse by oblong method. The data is given like this. Included angle is 75 degree, major axis 100 mm, minor axis 70 mm. So first of all, draw given parallelogram with the given dimension. Say 75 degree is the included angle. The method is same as rectangle method. Divide a given rectangle into equal 4 parts and draw its axis AB and CD. And point E same as our rectangle method. Then divide AE into equal number of parts. Name the points 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, AO into equal number of parts 1 days, 2 days, 3 days and 4 days. Now what should we do? Yes, join D1 with a straight line and extend C1 days up to D1, and that is point of intersection, first point P1. Similarly, join D2, extend C2 days, both will intersect at one point, that is point P2. Join D3, extend C3 days, both will intersect at one point, that name is point P3. This is D4, D, and again on right side also do the same exercise. D3, D2, D1 and C1 days, C2 days and C3 days. An intersection of C1 days and D1 is again 3 points as shown over here. Now join all these points with a smooth curve, and that is the semi-ellipse of given dimension. Now project this point on the bottom side. You can do the same exercise, or directly you can project by drawing these parallel lines to CD and join all these points. So that is an ellipse by oblong method. Hope it's clear to you. Feel free to contact me for any query. Thanks for watching.